What's up, Seed Squad? It's Mommy Seed here. On this channel, we are all about helping families, that's kids and parents, create happy, fun businesses together. Today's video is going to be super quick. I'm not even including the kids in this video.
Hey, that's not right.
Yeah, we like being in videos.
I just want you to watch this video until the end and then go out and do this right away because it's already Christmas season. This video is for you if you are good with editing video. Now, I know you've seen the trend of content creators doing Vlogmas or 12 Days of Christmas around this time. That's very popular, it's super fun. We love to watch Christmas videos, which is why everybody does it. Video creators love to make videos, but aren't necessarily skilled at editing video. That is the one thing that takes up a lot of time for creators. So if you have that skill of editing, then it's time for you to make some money. The idea is that you are gonna sell your video editing services to YouTube content creators. Now, we always talk about 5 M's on this channel, and that is the 5 things that it's gonna take to get this idea going. The first M is materials. Simple materials you're gonna need. If you're editing video already, I'm sure you have it, and that is a computer, right? You're gonna need something to edit the video on. And then you're gonna need software, some kind of video editing software. It might be iMovie, or it might be Final Cut Pro, or it could be Adobe Premiere, whatever you normally use to edit video. The next M is money. How much are you gonna charge for your video editing services? I can't make this decision for you. You're gonna have to come up with your price on your own, but a couple things to keep in mind. Okay, you have the editing skill, that's great, but you wanna keep in mind how long it's gonna take you to edit the video. Because if a content creator requests a, say, 5-minute video from you, but they've given you 2 hours worth of content to whittle down into 5 minutes, it's gonna take a lot of your time. Okay? If they give you 15 minutes of content, it's gonna take a lot less time. So you wanna take into account how long it's gonna take for you to edit the video. Another thing to keep in mind is that you probably wanna form a relationship with this creator because they're gonna have content constantly. And you could be the person that they go to edit those videos. So you want to make sure your price covers you, your time and effort, but also doesn't blow them away so much that they don't wanna come back to you. Okay, just, think about that. Definitely don't undercut yourself though. This is your business. One thing you can do is package your services. Are you able to not only edit the video, but also maybe create a little intro for their Vlogmas? Are you able to create a promo video leading up to Vlogmas for them? In your package, you could also include multiple videos. If they sign up to get 5 videos in your package, you're gonna charge them a little less on a per video basis than if they were just getting 1 video. Those are a couple things to keep in mind when you're pricing. Next M is market. So your content creators are all online. Outside of YouTube, they're probably on Twitter, they're probably on Instagram. You wanna go and find them there. What I recommend is leaving them a message in their Instagram direct message. But remember, if you guys aren't friends, they may not see that message. So one little trick that I do after leaving that Instagram DM is to go over to Twitter, leave a message right on their Twitter feed, and say, I'm a video editor, I've got a great idea for you. I left an Instagram DM for you, go check it out. That's a little hack that gets me a lot of responses. But which content creators are you gonna be going after? I say, talk to those content creators that you already watched, because you're gonna love to edit their videos, right? Because you already love the content. If they're already in the habit of doing Vlogmas or 12 Days of Christmas, they possibly already have someone taking care of editing for them. So maybe look at those content creators who have done holiday content in the past, but have not done Vlogmas or 12 Days of Christmas. This might be a new suggestion for them from you, but one that I'm sure they'll see the value in if they've done holiday content before. The next M is make. You're gonna go ahead and make your video. So you've gathered your materials, you've mapped out your pricing, you've done your marketing, you've sent out an email and gotten approval from the content creator. They are ready to roll. Now it's time to make the video. This is where you're gonna shine, right? Because this is what you do. This is your passion. But make sure this is the best editing job you've ever done. You wanna make sure this is really good because you want your client to be so super impressed that they come back to you with every video they create. They need you on their team. You love doing what you do. You guys are a perfect match. So give it your all. The last M is magic. What kind of special touch can you put on it that they weren't expecting? Couple ideas. Let's go back to that proposal for a second. In the proposal, make sure you include who, what, when, where, and how. Who you are, name of your business, your contact information, what you're gonna be doing. That's where you can include your packages, If you're doing one video, what the cost of that is. If you're doing 5 videos, what the cost of that is. Is it gonna include transitions? Is it gonna include a title? What kind of music is gonna be incorporated? Make sure you talk to your client and see what they like and get a feel from it by watching their videos. Do they like hip hop? Do they like jazz? Because holiday music has all those genres. When you're gonna deliver the finished video, how it's gonna be delivered, where it's gonna be delivered. You wanna talk to your client, figure out their favorite place, maybe it's Dropbox or something like that, where you can drop off the finished video. And then how? How are you gonna correspond with them? How are they gonna keep track of edits along the way? So just remember those 5 questions when you are preparing your proposal. Now let's get back to the magic. Magic, you wanna do something your client is not expecting. So if in your proposal you said you were gonna deliver your video in 2 days, deliver it in 1 day. They're gonna be super shocked and they're gonna love you for that. If you didn't mention it in the proposal, maybe you put together a quick little intro for Vlogmas that can go on the front of every one of those Vlogmas videos. Think about the magic that you can add. And that's it. It's time to go do this right now because Christmas is here. So listen, make sure you click that notification bell right now and subscribe if you haven't already, because I could do another spontaneous video just like this and you want to make sure you get that info so you can get that money. All right, so until next time, remember to make it fun, make it your own, and make money.